cold hearts, warm night. I can feel you close, but the darkness bites.
City lights, but the world feels dead. Thoughts of you running through my head. Every street, every corner, I see your face. Even when you're gone, I can't escape. Pour another drink, let the night unfold. Memories linger, stories untold. Your voice echoes softly in the air, but the cold reminds me that you're not there.
And I can't sleep, your shadow stays. Every heartbeat pulls me away.
Cold eyes, warm nights, we're lost in between, holding on tight to a faded dream. Cold eyes, warm nights, but the fire won't stay. I feel you drifting further away.
Whispers in the dark, secrets untold. Frozen in love, but the night feels cold. Every touch fades, but the memories alive. In the quiet, we're barely surviving.
Cold eyes, warm nights, we're lost in between, holding on tight to a faded dream. Cold eyes, warm nights, but the fire won't stay. I feel you drifting further away. Even when the world turns its face, I can't forget your haunted